Good morning and welcome one and all. On behalf of Dayanand Education Society's Dayanand Science College, here is a hearty welcome, big and warm enough to encompass you all to this inaugural program of International E-Conference on Nonlinear Analysis and its Applications, organized by Department of Mathematics. We are pleased to have with us Honorable Lakshmiramanji Lahoti, President, Dayananda Education Society, as the inaugurator and president of today's program. May I request Principal Dr. J.S. Dargad sir to welcome Honorable President Lakshmiramanji Lahoti sir by offering a flower. Honorable Lakshmiraman Lahoti sir is piloting our institution with dexterous maneuver. Thank you, sir. It's indeed our honor that Professor Vasile Berende from North University of Baia Romania has joined us on the virtual platform as the chief guest. Gracious welcome to you, sir. With great honor, we welcome Professor M. Musalin from Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, India, who also has joined us online as the keynote speaker. Cordial welcome to you, sir. I feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to our special invitee, Honorable Ramesh Biyani, Secretary, Dayananda Education Society. May I request Principal Dr. J.S. Dargad sir to welcome Honorable Ramesh Biyani sir by offering a flower. Thank you, sir. It's our pleasure to welcome our special invitee, Honorable Suresh G. Jain, Joint Secretary, Dayananda Education Society. Once again, I request Principal Dr. J.S. Dargad sir to welcome Honorable Suresh G. Jain. Thank you, sir. I would like to invite Dr. S.S. Bellade, convener of the conference, to welcome our principal, Dr. J.S. Dargad, by offering a flower. Thank you, sir. Once again, I request Dr. S.S. Bellade to welcome Principal Dr. S.P. Gayakwad, sir, who is with us today, by offering a flower. Thank you. Dr. Solanke, Principal of Dayanand Commerce College, is also amongst us. I invite Dr. S.S. Bellade to welcome Principal Dr. Solanke. Now, I would like to invite Dr. L.V. Thakre, Head, Department of Physics and Electronics, to welcome Dr. S.S. Bellade, Convener of the Conference, Vice Principal and Head of the Department of Mathematics. Thank you, sir. Dayanand Education Society is the outcome of ardent zeal, a dream and vision of Swami Dayananda Saraswati, a great social reformer who says that knowledge alone is an inexhaustible treasure. It is one of the most reputed and pioneering educational societies in Maharashtra, which has been founded with a noble aim, Ano Bhadra Kratavo Yantu Vishwatah. Let all the noble thoughts come to us from all the directions of the world. Dayananda Education Society's Dayanand Science College has emerged as the most sought after educational destination in the region. With the distinct vision of DES management, the college has been continuously pursuing the tradition of promoting quality education and reaching heights of academic excellence under the exceptional leadership of our respected principal. We all are amid an extraordinary situation emerging out of global pandemic and the consequent lockdown. Everything has come to an abrupt, and the academic world is not an exception. The current times have cast a dark shadow, yet we strive to continue to find various ways for navigating new territories and learning new things keeping ourselves engaged in productive activities. So, to ensure the continuity of knowledge through these challenging times, Dayanand Science College, under the guidance of its visionary principal, is accelerating on the road of academic enrichment by organizing the International E-Conference. Once again, I welcome you all. Let's commence the program with our tradition of invoking the Almighty. Let's commence the program with our tradition of invoking the Almighty. I therefore request Honorable President Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti and all the dignitaries on the dais to proceed for Saraswati Pujan and Deepa Prajwalan. Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts, represent the free flow of wisdom and consciousness. O Mother, we pray you for your blessings with all humility. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lightening ceremony. I request Honorable Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti sir, the inaugurator and the president of this function, to light the lamp and symbolically inaugurate the conference. Lightening a lamp spreads divine grace. Light is a pretty universal symbol of knowledge. It acts as a guide, keeping us from stumbling in the dark. The flame burns in upward direction, indicating that one should acquire knowledge in such a way that it takes us only towards better perfection. Light removes darkness and is a metaphor for the transformation involved in the quest for enlightenment. Here is the formal inauguration by the auspicious hands of Honorable Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti. Thank you one and all. The brilliance of the light does not diminish despite its repeated use to light many more lamps. So too, knowledge does not lessen when shared with or imparted to others. On the contrary, it increases in clarity and conviction on giving. It benefits both the receiver and the giver. Keeping this view, the International E-Conference is organized to provide an opportunity to the participants from various countries to interact and thus share the ideas and knowledge on the topic non-linear analysis and its applications. We are very pleased to mention that we have received an overwhelming response to the call for papers. We have received 192 abstracts, and these abstracts have been compiled and edited in the form of a book. May I request Honorable President Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti sir to kindly release the abstract book of the conference. Thank you one and all. Now, I would like to call upon Dr. S.S. Bellade, the convener of the conference, to give introductory remarks on this occasion. Dr. S.S. Bellade.
Thank you, madam. The motto of our institution is Ano Bhadra Kritoyantu Vishwata. That means let the noble thought come to us from all the direction of the universe. As per our motto, we have organized this second international conference, ICNAA 2020. The president of this inaugural function, Honorable Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti sir, chief guest, V. Berinde from Romania, keynote speaker, Professor M. Mursolini sir from Aligarh, special invitee, Honorable Ramesh Biyani sir, Secretary Dayanand Education Society, Honorable Sureshji Jain sir, Joint Secretary Dayanand Education Society. In that special invitee, Dr. S.S. Salunke sir, Principal, Dayanand Science College, Latur, Dr. S.P. Gaikwad sir, Principal, Dayanand Arts College, Latur, and the best Principal awardee, our college, Dr. J.S. Dargad sir, and all speakers, participants who are conducting the conference, our all HODs and the staff members. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome one and all the guests, speakers, participants, students, and all known unknown persons who are directly and indirectly involved in the international conference, Nonlinear Analysis and its Applications, organized by Department of Mathematics, Dayanand Science College, Latur. Nonlinear analysis and its application plays a very important role in the various interdisciplinary subjects of the science, engineering, and their applications to the real physical problems, real, complex, and different branches of mathematics, physics, and all the subjects of the sciences. The conference is being attended by more than 290 participants, in which the participants are from also outside participants. Nearly about 43 participants are from outside of the India. In that participants, there will be 3 keynote speakers, 16 plenary speakers, 12 short speakers, and 153 contributory speakers.
Kishanan Burma, sir.
Actually, the organization of the international conference at the college level is very difficult. In that also, the organization of a conference on online platform, it is also very difficult. And also I want to express here, the organization of a conference in the lockdown is also very, very difficult. But this job also very nicely and easily made by our college, and this platform is open to all in the international level due to the all support of the management and our principal, Dr. J.S. Dargad sir. In this occasion, I would like to record my thank Dr. Professor M. Mursalin, J.K. Kim from Korea, Berinde from Romania, Javed Ali from Aligarh, and all other participants. Their experiences and expertises will be very valuable for the participants and invited speakers.
So nobody can hear.
Here, I would like to thank Dr. J.S. Dargad sir to told that the kind support and cooperation of.
There is no sound.
Also, I thank our patron, Honorable Lakshmi Ramanji Lahoti sir, Sonone sir, Biyani sir, Ramesh Biyani sir, and Jain sir. I also express the deep sense of gratitude to efficient administrative person, Dr. J.S. Dargad sir, and all other staff members. I would like to acknowledge with the thank of sustained support, constructive criticism, and assistance extended by all the